Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2 of the Sesame overview. If you're new here, my name is Alex Evans and I'm the founder of Raging Websites. Let's talk about Sesame pricing today and plans. Which pricing is right for you? Which plan is right for you? Is the pro pricing worth it, or should I just go for the free? Let's talk about it. Okay. So I'll be honest, right off the bat, almost everybody's going to fit into this medium category here for the $49. Obviously this does not include your Shopify subscription, which I believe typically starts at $29 per month. But I want to start with the medium first because it normally encompasses everything that a business will need. So it's going to include everything under here. You're also going to get up to 10 team members and group appointment. So let's break down what group appointment is. Let's say I have a yoga class and I don't want just one person to sign up for the class, but I want 10 people. That's something that would fall in there. Similarly, if you're in the automotive space, let's say you're doing car washes and you can do 5 per hour instead of just one, we could set that as 5. So it's not like people are purchasing together, but you're allowing multiple people to purchase at the same time of the same product. And the biggest one here, I'll be honest, is the customer rescheduling and the cancellation. If you're a bigger business or if you're scheduling things many times throughout the day, you're going to want this. You do not want to be canceling and rescheduling on your own. That's going to take up so much of your time on the phone or on text or whatever communication platform that you're using. It's just not going to be worth it. Now let's talk about the pro. Is the pro worth it? It depends. How many team members do you have? Do you have more than 10 team members? Then yeah, it's going to be important. And then another big thing is this Sesame branding. People don't really like to see it. I kind of wish they would put that in the medium as well myself. But if that's something that you find that you just don't really want, then it might be worth it for you. They say priority support, but let me be honest. For everybody that uses the medium, their support is still outstanding. So I honestly don't really see that as an added value here. And then let's go all the way down to the small and the free. So the small, up to 5 team members. That's not that many, I'll be honest, but it might be right for you. It's nice that it has the Shopify, the Shopify POS integration. So that means that if somebody is coming to your brick and mortar location, that you can actually create an appointment right for them right then and there, which is very nice. And initial onboarding consultation. They say that comes in the small, but just working with the Sesame team, they are, like I said, their support is outstanding. And if you really have questions in the free, I'm sure that they would help you out. Now, something I did notice in the free is this soft reservation. I'll be honest, I'm not 100% sure what that means. I think that might mean that it's not auto-fulfilled, but it's a really great plan because I see that it has the Google Calendar sync in there. And then obviously you can reschedule and cancel. So, I mean, there are some really great benefits of this. I think what this would make the most sense for is somebody who's blogging, who's maybe selling consultation calls, because then it's free. You still have the unlimited appointments. It's not like you need a bunch of team members, but I'm going to be honest, if you're more of a business, you're definitely going to want to skip all the way to the medium for that customer rescheduling. And I just want to close out this video by saying, if you guys are interested in the medium or the pro plan, shoot us a message over at ragingwebsites.com. I always try and help out my clients. Like I said in the previous video, I do have a pretty good relationship with Sesame. So if you want to do pro or you want to do medium, I can normally knock those prices down. So this could be $19 or this could be $49. I'm not promising anything here, but you know, like I said, the Sesame team is really, really great. So shoot us over a message and we can see what we can do for you. Cool. We'll see you in the next video.